The similarities between animals and humans. Koalas have fingerprints that are nearly indistinguishable from ours. Koala fingerprints are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Have you ever considered committing a crime but weren't sure how you could get around the pesky issue of leaving fingerprints behind? You might be able to just frame a koala for it. Koalas might not seem to have a lot in common with us, but if you were to take a closer look at their hands, you'd see that they have fingerprints that are just like humans. In fact, they're so similar when it comes to the distinctive loops and arches, that in Australia, police feared that criminal investigations may have been hampered by koala prints, according to Ripley's Believe It or Not. Any koalas who want to commit crimes would be wise to do so wearing gloves.
We are different people. We speak different languages. Huh? We have different faces, but inside, we are same. Same, but different. But still same.
Ears like a katydid. Katydid, also called longhorn grasshopper or bush cricket, also spelled bush cricket, any of about 6,000 predominantly nocturnal insects that are related to crickets. The two groups are in the suborder Encifera, order Orthoptera, and are noted for their mating calls. What is special about katydids? Katydids are also known for their large hind legs and extremely long thread-like antennae, as well as the thick, upwardly curved ovipositor, egg-laying structure, of the females. Although katydid songs are species-specific, different species are able to hear one another's calls. Humans have complex ears to translate sound waves into mechanical vibrations our brains can process. So, as it turns out, do katydids. According to research in the journal Science, katydid ears are arranged very similarly to human ears, with eardrums, lever systems to amplify vibrations, and a fluid-filled vesicle where sensory cells wait to convey information to the nervous system. Katydid ears are a bit simpler than ours, but they can also hear far above the human range. The facial expressions of a mouse. Humans and mice don't look alike, but both species are mammals and are biologically very similar. Almost all of the genes in mice share functions with the genes in humans. That means we develop in the same way from egg and sperm, and have the same kinds of organs, heart, brain, lungs, kidneys, etc. How similar is human and mice DNA? When it comes to protein encoding genes, mice are 85% similar to humans. For non-coding genes, it is only about 50%. The National Human Genome Research Institute attributes this similarity to a shared ancestor about 80 million years ago. Do you make weird faces when you're in pain? So do mice. In 2010, researchers at McGill University and the University of British Columbia in Canada found that mice subjected to moderate pain grimace, just like humans. The researchers said the results could be used to eliminate unnecessary suffering for lab anima.
I'm so sad. I am so sad. I am so sad. I am so sad.
The sleep talk of a dolphin. Dolphins may sleep talk in whale song, according to French researchers who've recorded the marine mammals making the non-native sounds late at night. The 5 dolphins, which live in a marine park in France, have heard whale songs only in recordings played during the day around their aquarium. But at night, the dolphins seem to mimic the recordings during rest periods, a possible form of sleep talking. And you thought your nocturnal mumblings were weird? The house-building skill of an octopus. Octopuses are highly intelligent animals, masters of camouflage that have evolved an array of tricks over tens of millions of years to avoid or thwart would-be attackers. They can match the colors and even textures of their surroundings, allowing, when the animal wants to move, all it has to do is stack the shells like bowls, grasp them with stiff legs, and waddle away along the ocean floor to a new location.